Tired of manually resizing hundreds of artboards in Illustrator? Let's learn how to update all 300 artboards simultaneously, creating efficiency in your workflow for any long document. First, check the artboard panel. It will be one of the most important places for this tutorial. If you don't see it, go to Window and click Artboards to bring up the panel. Now, select a single artboard from the artboard panel. It helps to use the smallest one, or at least one with few objects in it. This will be the master size, and properties will then be applied to all the other artboards. With your single artboard selected, look at the Properties panel on the right. In the Properties panel, locate the area labeled Artboard. Here, you can change the width and height to your desired dimensions. Enter the new size for your artboard. Type in the dimensions you require for a single page. Here's the secret of this method. See the Apply to All Artboards box. Select it or be sure it is checked. Then, the new size you inputted now takes effect and will apply across all pages of your document. Once completed, Illustrator will automatically resize all artboards to match the new dimensions. The artboard panel will reflect the same dimensions and changes to all of your pages. You have just resized 300 pages. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can quickly and efficiently change the artboard sizes on the go, and it's easy to see how much easier it makes formatting and changing your multi-page Illustrator documents. Now get creative.